Talking about depository institutions. Depository institutions businesses which offer multiple services in banking and finances. These institutions include banks, saving loans, and credit unions. They will be regulated by various state and federal agencies. Why depository institutions, why customers may use them to have the opportunity to receive lower cost loans, to receive the advantages in interest earning accounts, to keep money safe. Why customers may not use them, fees are too high, minimum balances required are too high. They wish to keep their financial information private.
Federal Reserve Bank distributing and receiving cash and coin. The Federal Reserve Bank banking system in the United States. Services include collecting checks, electronically transferring funds, distributing and receiving cash and coin. Which Federal Reserve Bank is located in your region? Branches include Baltimore, 502 and in Charlotte, 530 Trade Street, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28202, phone number being 704-358-100. Life of a deposit check. Step 1, check is deposited. Step 2, the deposit's bank encodes and endorses and sends the check to the Reserve Bank. Step 3, then the check makes its way to the Regional Reserve Bank or the clearinghouse where the check originated. Step 4, from here it goes to the check writer's bank, and then step 5, bank deducts the amount from the account.
Depository institutions, credit unions, commercial banks, saving and loan associations. Commercial banks, usually the largest depository institution, considered a full-service depository institution, available to a variety of customers. Examples: Wells Fargo, U.S. banks, Chase banks. Credit union owned by members who share a common bond. Non-profit cooperative depository institution owned by members who share a common bond. Example: Rocky Mount Credit Unions, Teacher Federal Credit.
Today I'm going to be talking about savings and loan associations. They focus on providing loans and mortgages. Customers who have savings accounts can get them. Some examples of banks you can use are American Federal Saving Bank and the Pioneer Federal Saving and Loan Bank. Some types of insurance are federal government agency which protects depository institution accounts, insurance, commercial banks and savings account loan associations, National Credit Union Administration, and they provide insurance for credit unions. Insurance protection. Each depository is insured up to $250,000 for money deposited in a regular account and $250,000 for retirement deposits. Available from both FDIC and NCUA. Insurance is important because of the risk of loss. Risk of loss is used to determine which party should be responsible for damage or loss of products after a service transaction has been completed but prior to delivery.
So I'm talking about interest rates. So interest is the amount of money that is either gained or lost when accessing services offered by a depository institution. An interest rate is the percentage used annually to calculate the total interest either gained or lost. And interest bearing is money earned from an investment instrument. Credit unions typically offer rates which have the most positive impact on the consumer. Common services often offered at depository institutions are checking accounts, also known as share draft accounts at a credit union, paper checks or debit cards that are used to withdraw money. Interest-bearing accounts have ownership represented by shares in a corporation like stock. An insured interest, which is an earning savings instrument with restricted access to the funds like a certificate of deposit. An account which offers higher interest rates than a savings account and may offer limited check writing privileges is a money market account. A debt instrument issued by a government organization or a business organization designed as an investment for the purchasers to earn interest is a bond.
Interest-bearing account, Credit card, a credit used to make a purchase now and be paid later. If a balance is paid before the grace period ends, interest is not added. And a balance is paid after the grace period, the payment of interest is required. Loan, money borrowed and paid back with interest. Mortgage, loan of a home. Personal interest rate varied depending upon type of loan. Loan type can include vehicle, school, and etc. Additional service which may be offered. A safe deposit box is a secured box in a bank to be used for variable important personal items. Financial concerning information and advice to give a customer to help making personal decisions.